Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So the message today is don't bid to retire. When I'm reviewing bids with cleaning businesses, I'm often surprised, but it's happened so often that I thought I would make a little bit of a message about it. That sometimes when a person is bidding a job, they start off with, cleaning business owner starts off with a good time estimate, and they put in their wage and they have their expenses and overhead and profit, and they come up with a price that reflects what the reality is for the job they're bidding on. But then something happens. Even though the math was good, they move away from that math and they start to have feelings or thoughts, I think, like, I wonder if I could do better on this job. You know, it really would be nice. I think I deserve to make quite a bit more than this. I think if I could get this up, to quite a bit higher, and they'll double the price from what they thought they priced it out to be. They'll double it. And now they're maybe making $75 or $100 an hour, and they're feeling like, man, I deserve to have this. If I got this one, I'd be all set. And that would be great if we could all get jobs at a very high hourly billing rate. It would be terrific. But the thing is, other businesses aren't bidding to retire. They're bidding to build a business. And so we have to remember that. So, right, because you're going against competition where they're not going to double the price and end up at $100 an hour. They're bidding at maybe $18 an hour wage. Let's just say the hourly billing rate turns out to be $36 an hour, and they're bidding it competitively in the commercial environment, let's say a standard office cleaning job, and you'll go up against them in competition. You may not get the job. So the job that you thought would set you up for life, this would be terrific, this is all I need, you never really get because you bid too high. By the way, if you do get it, you're really vulnerable, because if someone else bids that job, they could bid quite a bit less and still make good money profit-wise. Why? Because they're hiring a cleaner and they're training them and supervising and working with them. They're building a business. They're building a business, not bidding to, like I say, jokingly, tongue-in-cheek, not bidding to retire. I wish it could be that way, but most cases it can't. And so it's something to keep in mind to stick to your guns when you figure out what the job takes and what the reasonable, competitive, maybe the high end of competitive price would be that reflects the reality of time and cost and profit. That's the way to go to build a business, and something to remember as you move forward. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.